Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to make a background transparent on um, Canva. So the first thing you have to do is select a picture. So once you've selected a picture like this, let's assume I want to make the background of this picture in particular transparent. It's quite simple. Just there are many ways to go about it, but the easiest way is to, first of all, you can remove the background entirely. So we can remove the background by choosing this remove background here. You can see the picture, the background is removed and we only have the image here that is blank without the background. But let's assume you really want the picture to show, but you want the background to be less visible. All we have to do is to click on this and then separate the image from the background by clicking on this edit button here. It will bring us to a page where we can select a tool that will help us separate them, and that particular tool is the magic grab. Now if you are dealing with a picture that has a lot of text, you can use the grab text icon, but since we have images that have no text, we can just click on magic grab, where we'll grab only the picture or the item we want. So we can see it's even separated our gun from her, so we can click on the gun. We can also click on our finger here to no object, so we are not able to select that. So just grab the image of the person. Good. So we have her here. Now this means that we can edit this background individually. Click on the background and you can see the transparency is 100. Click on this tile or checkers like icon here, and then transparency is 100. Reduce it to whatever degree you want. You can just choose 59 and take it back to see how it appears. If it's not feeling well with you, you can reduce, or you can also reduce it or increase it. So this is how to make a background less visible on Canva. If you've enjoyed this video, please let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.